Well, hi there. My name's Bill Brennan-Jones. I'm from ATI-Mirage. I'm just giving you a little preview of a session I'm running about PowerApps and Flow. So what are PowerApps and Flow? Well, I'm glad you asked. PowerApps and Flow are part of the my Office 365 suite provided by Microsoft. They're a series of online apps that you can use, designed specifically to help you design your own forms and create business flows to incorporate that with what you work with. So roughly speaking, PowerApps, here's a definition, suite of apps, services, connectors on a data platform, provides rapid application development. Well, this is what Microsoft says anyway. But it does allow you to build custom online forms that can link to many data sources designed primarily for mobile use. So for people working with phones and tablets out in the field. Flow, well, Flow is really automated work processes. Often in the past, these things have had to use very fancy systems, or you had to write them with code. The idea is that the flows are based on a series of preset templates to make it easy for you to create a flow that takes business operations across multiple platforms. But let's have a look. So if I'm in Office 365, you'll see that these apps come up as part of your Office 365 area, PowerApps and Flow. Okay, going into one of those particular ones, I might see that this is the PowerApps screen. You can see at the start it gives you information about being able to build your own apps, which is great. It talks about templates, and there are a number of preset templates that you can use, and based on those you can create your own apps from this particular point. So based on those, I've managed to create a quick staff employment survey app. This is an example of one of those, designed for a phone, goes through a series of steps, asks you questions, you fill out information. Off here. So this is a 5-step form that I can go and fill out. It keeps a track of how things are going, stores things in a variety of different forms. So it can be quite useful to put in information, and you can set those particular things yourself. And once you're finished, it will store this information in an online system for you, either in an Excel file or in a SharePoint file or any other sort of data source you really want to work with. By default, when you use the templates, they create Excel files in OneDrive for Business. So that's an example of one. Something a little bit more fancy, help desk form. So this one allows you to store lots of information and to do some calculations and more sophisticated working with this. This is more designed for a tablet or for a screen version, but as you can see, it does track a fair bit of information for working with these particular features. And all of these sort of things can be easily created using pre-designed templates and then modify and customize them from that point, rather than having to start from scratch to do it. If you work with something like Flow, then Flow gives you other choices as well. With Flow, it allows you, as it says, to create automated workflows in Microsoft Flow. This once again comes with a number of preset templates and allows you to link to many popular external database systems. It requires you to set up a series of steps to get there, and it does show you a good example online here how you can put information together, and a lot of preset templates to create flows, which can either be automated ones that occur automatically when you add, remove, change information based upon data, ones that are scheduled to occur every day, every hour, every week, those sorts of things, and also ones that are what they call push notifications, which are ones which might occur on a phone where you press a button and it will carry out an action. So there are many preset templates that can be used in here to create flows based upon your business. So they're all quite interesting tools. We're running a session about this, a breakfast session about this. We also run some training courses, half-day sessions in getting started with these applications. And so if you're interested in any of those sort of things, by all means come along and get in touch. Okay, thank you very much for your attention, and enjoy.